in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your SOCKS5 on your computer. Okay, so this is the actual website of the PIA SOCKS5 Proxy. Okay, yeah, so as you can see I have 7 IPs available right now. Okay, that's the SOCKS5 Proxy. Okay, I have 7 IPs now. So in order to run these IPs on your computer, you need the SOCKS5 Proxy Manager. Okay, it's over here. You tap on it. When it comes, you select the operating system you are using, whether Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or any other. Okay, so you just tap on download now and it will start downloading. Okay, I already have it here. So you wait for it to load. You wait patiently for it to load. Since it's loading, in case you need a very cheap PIA SOCKS5 Proxy, you can text me on WhatsApp. I'll leave my number in the description. Okay, so you can text me. It's very cheap as compared to the one on the site. Okay, yeah, the old subscribers know what I'm talking about. It's very cheap. I have a way of refilling it at a cheaper price. Okay, so when you are done, you just install it. Okay, you just install it over here, but I've already installed it, so it's on my PC right now. Okay, so as you can see, PIA SOCKS5. So you launch it, you head over to the login section, tap on it. I already have my login here, so I'll just tap on login. So when you log in, the first thing to do is to confirm whether the IPs on the the browser is the same number of IPs on the manager. Okay, so when you confirm it and everything matches, that's all. Okay, so there's a point I want you to pay attention to. This place is where you select your country. Okay, so there are a lot of countries here, as you can see: US, Canada, Korea, Japan, Mexico, Britain, Germany, Australia, any country at all. Okay, so you just search for the countries initial. So let's say Ghana, you just type GH, Nigeria, NG. But in today's video we are going to connect to a USA server, so you tap on US. Okay, and you select it, and you head over to the state. In the state you have all the US states. Okay, have all the US states. So you can choose any state, your preferred state. Here you choose your preferred state. So let me go in for Alaska. Okay, when you select your state, you head over to the city. The city to have a lot of cities available. So let's go in for Palma. The IPS or the service provider, can choose any of them, the preferred one. Okay, the zip code too, you can choose any one you want. Okay, so after that you just tap on search. When it doesn't come, maybe it's not matching, so you just play it and search again. Okay, so as you can see, we have IPs available, so all these IPs are active. Okay, so in case you want this particular one, the 52 pin, you just right click, tap on forward port to proxy. Okay, then you choose any of these free IPs. Okay, immediately you choose the IPs, you notice that your IP will reduce by 1. Okay, yeah, so after doing that, you head over to the tab which says today's proxy. Okay, today's proxies are the ones you forwarded from the ports. Okay, so you head over to this place, right click again, and go to forward port to proxy. Okay, and you select it again, and you see a successful message. Okay, you will you scroll down, so that you can see it too. Okay, so you head over to the port forward list. Okay, and you tap on it. So as you can see, this is the one I forwarded. Okay, then you copy. So as you can see, it says copy success. Okay, then you head over to your browser. I prefer Chrome browser. Okay, so first of all, you download a Chrome extension, and the name of the Chrome extension is Switch Omega. Okay, or Proxy Switcher. Okay, so you come to Chrome Store. Okay, you tap on Switch Omega. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. So Switch Omega. When you search for it, this is the one you are going to see here. As you can see, I've already installed it. Okay, so when you copy the proxy over here, you're going to paste it in the Switch Omega or the proxy switcher. That's after you've installed it. Okay, I have an expired proxy here, so I'll just clear it in Control plus V, then it will paste it. After that, I'll tap on connect. Okay, so my initial location is Ghana, Accra, Ghana. When I switch it to switch, have you seen? Yeah, so my location has been successfully switched by the IP. Okay, then if you want to check whether it's working or not, you come here, then you type for hua.net. Okay, then you enter. When you enter, you wait for it to load. You wait patiently for it to load. Okay, so as you can see, my current IP is 216.137.248.137. Yeah, United States. Okay, yeah. Same applies to any country at all you want to use. So with that one, I'm coming. You come to the country, select the country, the state, the city. Yeah, that's all. Then you connect using the Chrome extension. Okay, yeah, that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, leave a comment and a like. Hope to see you in my next video.